Hello everyone, welcome back to Fluent English Journey. If you really wanted to speak English fluently and confidently, this video is just for you. Many learners understand English, but when it's time to speak, they feel nervous or forget words. Don't worry, today I am going to share with you simple and powerful tips to help you speak English naturally and confidently. So stay with me till the end because at the end of this video, I will give you a daily English speaking challenges that will completely boost your confidence. Step 1. Change your mindset. The first step to improve your English is to change your mindset. Stop thinking English is difficult. It is not. English is just a language, not a subject. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Remember, you learn to speak by speaking, not by reading grammar books. Don't be afraid of making mistakes because mistakes are proof that you are learning. Step 2. Listen more, speak more. Listening is the key to speaking fluently. Listen to English for at least 15-20 minutes every day. It could be a podcast, movie, or YouTube video. When you listen, try to repeat what you hear. If you hear, "How are you doing today?" repeat it exactly the same way. Practice in front of a mirror. Copy the tone, pronunciation, and style. The more you listen and repeat, the faster you will improve. Step 3. Think in English. If you want to speak English fluently, you must start thinking in English. Whenever you see some things, try to describe it in English in your mind. For example, if you see cup, think this is my cup. I drink tea in it. When you start thinking in English, your brain gets used to forming English sentences quickly. You don't need anyone to practice. Your thoughts will become your practice partner. Thinking in English is the most powerful way to become fluent. Step 4. Practice daily. Speak without fear. The more you speak, the better you get. Start with simple sentences about your daily life. For example, I wake up at 6 am. I brush my teeth. I go to school. You can also record your voice and listen to yourself. It helps you notice your mistakes. Join English speaking groups or talk to yourself in English. Remember, confidence comes from practice, not for perfection. So speak every day without fear, without hesitation. Step 5. Learn phrases, not just words. Don't memorize random words, learn useful phrases. For example, instead of learning just the words hungry, learn the phrases I am feeling hungry. Phrases help you speak naturally and save time while forming sentences. Use them in your daily conversation again and again until they become part of your memory. Step 6. Surround yourself with English. Make English a part of your daily life. Change your phone language to English. Watch English shows with subtitles. Read short story, caption, or quotes in English. When you surround yourself with English, your brain starts accepting it as a normal language, not something foreign. Step 7. Stay constant and positive. Fluency takes time and patience. Don't expect result in one day. Even if you practice just 15 minutes a day, do it consistently. Celebrate small improvements. Every word you learn brings you closer to fluency. Stay positive, keep practicing, and remember you can speak English fluently. Calculation. Not it's time for your daily speaking challenges. Talk about your day in English for 2 minutes. Record yourself, listen, and notice your progress every day. Believe in yourself. You are already on your fluent English journey.